Let us welcome. Good morning. Today, a very important chapter of the grammar, that is the basic. Basic of the grammar is going to be tau. So, first of all, if anybody can explain what do you understand by the word tense? What is tense? Come on. Please say something. I am asking what you understand by tense. जल्दी बताइए. What is tense? Something. Tense is something that represents
Time that is future, days, past, it's present.
very good. Tense is something that refers to that's referred to time or time of the action. That is a tense. When the verb refers when the verb refers to particular time, or you may call tense is something when verb refers to particular time, that is present, past and future. Here you see. As I have told you, tense is something that refers to time or time of the action. What is action? Verb is an action. So, if the verb refers to present time, then it is called present tense. If it refers to past time, then it is past tense. And if it refers to future time, then it is a future tense. For example, write, wrote, and shall write. See the example. Write, wrote, and shall write. Here you see write or writes. It tells about the present tense. Wrote tells about past time, and shall future. So we have three tenses, that is present, past and future. If the verb tells or the time of the action tells about the tense. So here you see write, wrote and written. It tells about present, past or future. So a verb that refers to present time, a verb that refers to present time. Here you see a verb that refers to present time. Present time. Is said to be present. Here you see, please note down, a verb in the above example, write or writes, tell about present time. So from the above example it is clear that a verb that refers to present time is said to be present tense. Is said to be present tense. Okay? Now wrote, a verb that refers to past time. Here wrote is referring to the past time. So if the verb is refers to past time, it is said to be in past tense. Shall write, will or shall refers to future time. So will plus shall, will or shall plus verb. V1, it tells about future time. So it is said to be future tense. So there are three tense: present, past and future. So the tense of the verb shows the time of action or event. So we may conclude, what we may conclude? We may conclude the tense shows a verb. The tense of a verb shows the time of action, the time of action and event. Here you see. So the verb is important. Verb is important. The use of verb shows what? What it shows? It shows the time of action and event. Which time the event or action is taken. So is it okay? Now come to the. So this is what the tense is about. So there are three kinds of tense. So kinds of tenses. As we have concluded, as we have read, kinds of tenses. That is present. There are three. Present. The second one is the past, and the third one is the future. These are the three kinds of tenses. That is present, past, and future. Time has three sons. First son is present, second is past, and third one is the future. Time, the action. I have already told you that the tense of a verb, shows its time of action. If the tense of verb is in present, the verb may be in present, it may be in past, or it may be in future. So, the tense of a verb shows the time of action. क्लियर रखना है. क्या क्लियर रखना है कि the tense of a verb, the verb is the main thing, and it shows time of action. If it is referred to present, then it is a present tense. If it is refers to past, then it is a past tense. And it refers to future, then it is a future tense. So, in total, we can say that tense have three kinds. That is present, past, and future. Now come to all these three, present, past, and future. Present. It has four categories. That is simple, progressive, perfect, and the fourth one is perfect progressive. Here you see as you can say, time has three friends. That is present, past, and future. Please, stop chatting. Time has three friends. That is present, past, and future. That is present, past, and future. And all the three, we have simple present, present progressive, present perfect continuous, or progressive. Same as past. Same as simple past, past progressive, past perfect progressive. Same as future, simple future, future progressive, future perfect, future perfect progressive. So in total, we can say that the three friends of time is divided in four categories. That is simple, progressive, perfect, perfect progressive. All the friends are having four categories, whether it is present, past or future. Whether you can say simple present, present progressive, present perfect, and present perfect future progressive. Or you may say, if you come to the past, the same four category is there: simple past, past progressive, past perfect, past perfect progressive. The same category will be applied future: simple future, future progressive, future perfect, and future perfect progressive. So these are the four siblings, family members, friends और relatives, whatever you may call. समय के तीन बच्चे हैं, तीनों बच्चों के चार चार बच्चे हैं. पहला बच्चा जो है बहुत सिंपल है, सेकंड चाइल्ड इज प्रोग्रेसिव, द थर्ड चाइल्ड इज परफेक्ट, एंड द फोर्थ वन इज बोथ perfect and progressive. So you can say the time has three sons. समय के तीन बच्चे हैं और इन तीन बच्चों के चार चार बच्चे हैं. सभी के एक जैसे बच्चे हैं. कैसे हैं सबके? सिंपल हैं, प्रोग्रेसिव हैं, परफेक्ट हैं, प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट हैं, परफेक्ट प्रोग्रेसिव हैं. अब इसमें आप जो कैटेगरी को रख लें, सबके सब एक जैसे हैं. भगवान ने सबको एक जैसा बनाया, ग्रामर ने सबको एक जैसा किया, चाहे वो प्रेजेंट के लिए हो या पास्ट के लिए हो या फ्यूचर के लिए. ठीक है, अब आते हैं आगे की तरफ. अब हम बढ़ेंगे आगे. कुछ एग्जाम्पल्स को मैं दूंगा. Here you see, come to the present tense. Present. सिंपल प्रेजेंट के एग्जाम्पल्स देखिए. आई कॉल, और यू में से आई गो. सिंपल प्रेजेंट एसपी आप लिखिए, सिंपल प्रेजेंट. देन प्रेजेंट पीपी, प्रेजेंट प्रोग्रेसिव, आई एम गोइंग. PP, present perfect, PR, present perfect. I have gone. I have gone. And PPP, present perfect. I have been going. Here you see. These are the four categories. In simple, I go. Present में मैं जाता हूँ, मैं जा रहा हूँ. ठीक है. मैं गया, वो जा चुका होगा. So here you see, गो के जगह आप कॉल भी कर सकते हैं. आई कॉल, आई एम कॉलिंग, मैं बुलाता हूं, तो आई कॉल यू. मैं तुम्हें बुला रहा हूं, तो आई एम कॉलिंग यू. मैंने तुम्हें बुलाया है, तो आई हैव कॉल्ड यू. मैं तुम्हें बार बार बुला रहा हूं, लगातार बुला रहा हूं, तो क्या होगा? आई हैव बिन कॉलिंग यू फॉर 2 hours. Okay? So this is present. This is present. तो सबसे पहले हम लोग ने ये देखा. Now come to the structure. Structure. Simple present. Simple. सभी का सिंपल का स्ट्रक्चर हम लोग देखेंगे. प्रेजेंट, पास्ट एंड फ्यूचर. एंड फ्यूचर. ये तीनों के सिंपल को हम देखेंगे. सिंपल प्रेजेंट, सिंपल पास्ट एंड सिंपल फ्यूचर. क्या स्ट्रक्चर होगा सिंपल प्रेजेंट का? सब्जेक्ट प्लस V1 प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट और कॉम्प्लीमेंट, और SLS सिंगल सब्जेक्ट प्लस V5 प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट और सब्जेक्ट. V5 दैट इज वर्ब प्लस S और ES. थर्ड पर्सन सिंगुलर नंबर. थर्ड पर्सन सिंगुलर नंबर he, she, it. Third person singular number only. The third person singular number, that is he, she, it. It takes V5. V5 बोले तो why? Why V5? Subject is always in plural. क्रिया जो होती है हमेशा बहुवचन होती है. So a subject is always, verb is always, verb always remains in present tense, or that is in plural form, singular and plural, एक वचन और बहुवचन. So we, in order to make the verb singular, S or ES is added to make the verb singular. Why it is required? If you recall the rule, subject, verb and agreement, singular subject takes singular verb. For example, I have already told you, third person singular number, that is he, she, it, or any singular noun, it takes singular verb. When you refers to an action that is in present and it is in simple present is used to express habitual actions. Here habitual action is what? He reads a book. It is a habitual. He is a singular subject. Read is a plural. So in order to make read singular, we use S or ES. Here you see the example. He here you see. Here read has taken S. Why? To agree with its what? Subject. Here the subject is singular. He, वह पढ़ता है. As we know that simple present is used to express habitual actions, natural actions, universal actions. So here it is a habit. पढ़ता है. It is a general truth or it is a general action. It is a habitual action. He reads a book. So here it is singular. Read is plural. So in order to make read singular, S is applied. So he reads a book. Same is that. She writes a letter. Same as. She writes a letter. फर्स्ट पर्सन में आई गो. थर्ड पर्सन में क्या हो जाएगा? ही गोज. थर्ड पर्सन इज ही, शी, इट. सिंगुलर नंबर की बात कर रहा हूं मैं. ऐसा नहीं कि आप थर्ड पर्सन पे प्लूरल में चले जाइए. तो ही, शी, इट का प्लूरल क्या होगा? दे. इनका प्लूरल होता है दे. ही का भी प्लूरल दे, शी का भी प्लूरल दे, इट का भी प्लूरल दे और किसी सिंगुलर नाउन का भी प्लूरल दे. इस बात को हमें ध्यान में रखना है. अंडरस्टैंड? ओके. सो फर्स्ट पर्सन में क्या होगा? आई लव. यहां क्या हो जाएगा? ही लव्स. शी गोज. शी राइट्स. इट रेन्स. Here you see all the subjects are singular and it is in third person singular number. So in order to make subject agree with its verb, verb is transformed, verb is changed into singular. What are the singular verbs? Rides. Ride is plural. Then rides, goes, plays, etc. Okay. Now come to the simple past. Here you see. So simple present is subject plus V5. You may write THSL, third person singular number, plus V5 plus object or complement. Or you may add third person like that. T, THP, SN plus SLN, singular noun, plus V5, third person singular number, and any singular noun. Ram goes to. Ram goes to school. So, and then subject plus V1. I go. I love. I ride. I am talking about what? I is what? It is a singular subject but takes plural verb. Grammar confuses us. That's why I am stressing. I is first person. That is why I am hitting upon third person singular number. मैं सिर्फ सिंगुलर नंबर नहीं बोल रहा हूं, मैं बोल रहा हूं थर्ड पर्सन सिंगुलर नंबर. पर्सन 3 होते हैं, फर्स्ट पर्सन, सेकंड पर्सन एंड थर्ड पर्सन. आई, यू. आई क्या हुआ? फर्स्ट पर्सन. सेकंड पर्सन यू. थर्ड पर्सन ही. फर्स्ट, सेकंड, थर्ड. That is why I am hitting upon third person singular number. He, she, it, or any singular noun. Now come to the past. Very simple. Subject plus V2. That's all. Future, subject plus shall, will plus V1. Very simple. Here you see the basics. Third person, past, simple past. See the formula. Subject and V2 only. V2, that is what? V1 is present. V2 is past. V3 is past participle. When I say V2, I mean to say past form of the verb. Example, I wrote, he wrote, she wrote, you wrote, they wrote. Very